Police are again cautioning against jungle justice, urging citizens to allow law enforcement officers to do their work. The call comes on the heels of a double murder in Gibraltar, St. Anne. The people allege the men killed by an angry mob were known cattle thieves.
A double crime scene in Gibraltar, St. Anne. Stolen cattle in the back of an abandoned vehicle, while meters away, the spot where two men were chopped to death by an angry mob. TVJ News understands that sometime after 10 a.m., men traveling in a blue Noah bus and a black Axio motor car stole cows and goats, slaughtered them, and then packed them into the back of the bus. While the vehicles were trying to leave the area, an alarm was raised and irate residents set upon the alleged thieves. The occupants in the Axio managed to elude the mob, but three men were seen running from the Noah. The men ran for a distance and sought refuge at the Gibraltar All-Age School, but they were, however, caught and chopped to death by the mob.
As we speak, the two persons that have been nabbed there remain unidentified. We believe, however, that they may be from neighboring parish, so we are seeing identification for one, suggesting that he may be from the parish of Trelawney.
The police are also searching for the occupants of the black Axio. As for the residents, they say they have been suffering for months at the hands of cattle thieves.
Enough is enough. We can't take no more of this. My family banned me a farmer till now. This man is not yesterday. Then kill 11 cow for me in one night. Before that, then kill one for me. And now then come back and kill. And then kill another one. So this is the fourth one, the fourth time they kill cow for me.
While empathizing with the farmers in the area, the police appealed to the citizens to not take justice in their hands. Instead, report incidents of predial larceny when they happen.
What we are doing from law enforcement is to see how best we can support our farmers in terms of ensuring that they reap from what they sow. So we have active farmers watches in the area. We continue on a weekly basis to be in touch with our farmers and to let them know that law enforcement officials, we are there to support them with their endeavors.
Meanwhile, classes at the Gibraltar All-Age School are expected to resume Tuesday after closing following the mob killing. Teachers and students have been shaken by the incident, which happened outside the school's main entrance.